Alrighty guys, I ventured over to the dark side. I'm here on an American Airlines 767-300. As you can tell, I'm not on a United or Continental plane. And it does look very old and dated. That's a cool little eagle. So we'll see how these seats work. You know, like, it could be lie flat or angle flat or something. Got a pillow and a blanket, a red one, with some headsets. Speaking of headsets, I need to get my headset out in the bag. So guys, I'm on this American Airlines 767-300. I'm trying to find the damn TV. I have no idea where it is. This is how the seat operates, as you can tell, but I don't have a TV in front of me, so... There's magazines still itched down there. I have my headphones. I don't know where they go. I don't think we have TVs. Because that's where the TV should go. I don't know. This is a very old looking plane too. It does have new seats. So these are new seats. I'll find out when we fly. But yeah, I'm looking for my TV. Well, it'll be an interesting flight. First time on American since 2001. I'm on a 767. Alrighty, so I want to show you guys something. I like to have breakfast. On this American Airlines 767. So watch above the trade. This one, push it together, and look, that's not bad. I was wondering, I was like, the tray's too small, so now you have two trays together, but no TV. That's the TV up there. So, I do miss Executive Platinum. I do miss Continental, but it's different. Seats are raggedy too. But this is showing you setup, and I'm going to show you the food in a minute. Here's our setup, and I'll show you how to operate their seats in a little bit. Really, there's no TV. Can't believe that. Maybe I should bring a picture of a TV and stick it there.